Do you want to know how you can change your gender on your Temu account? If yes, then this video is specially for you. Hello and welcome to How to Login. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can change your gender on your Temu account. Go ahead and open Chrome or Edge browser on your PC and go to temu.com. After you open temu.com, log in to your account. As you log into your account, you can see your profile over here. So hover around Orders and Account and click on your profile. As you click on your profile will open up. Now to edit it, go ahead and click on this icon which is called Edit, and then it will lead you to this page. Now you can see the gender over here. There are three types of gender: female, male, and rather not say. So if you don't want to indicate which gender you are, just go ahead and click rather not say and then click save. But if you have mistaken yourself or you have selected your gender as male or female mistakenly and want to change it, you can choose this and then your gender will be changed. So all you need to do is open temu.com, hover around Orders and Accounts, and then click on your profile. So click on your profile and then click on this edit option. The gender will be available here. You can choose the gender and then after you're done, click save. This way your gender will be changed. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.